Hello guys! Did you know that Belgium has sand dunes as well? We are now in Panne and I'll show you how it looks like from here. If you have some friends, you can come here and do some picnic. But look at those things. Don't leave any trash. End of September. We're trying to enjoy the last few weeks of warm weather.
Let's see what the Belgium autumn will bring us or give us this year. Hope as not rainy as summer.
I hope it is as colorful as the autumn of Latvia. This area has a bit of darker sand. See that? Can you run there?
Oh.
Challenge. Of course.
Yes.
We are in the seaside. A lot of seagulls, and you will see
More sand.
the residential area and some people also enjoying the sand dunes. I think it's around 2 p.m. We're gonna have lunch on one of those hills. The view of the sea and the sand dunes. What do we have for today?
For lunch?
For lunch.
Pure water. We are on the diet. Healthy diet.
Healthy diet, only water and 2 bottles of white wine. That's healthy, that's good enough to regain the energy from this walk. Need to have strong legs, guys. Oh. But the sand is very fine. See? It's not as wide as the one in Boracay.
Which is famous of that they harvest shrimps with horses.
Really?
Or mussels. No, shrimps. Yeah.
We'll have lunch here with a view of the sea. So there you go. We are a bit on a higher ground. So what's for lunch? Panne.
Panne.
We are in Panne.
In Panne, we eat Panne.
We have baguette.
Baguette. Oh, this is salad made crabs because we're in Flanders.
Ah yeah, it's in Dutch.
Yeah. And
Salad made crab.
Kip, which is chicken.
Kip curry. Chicken curry?
Yes, and of course, a bit of wine.
Wine. White wine. And tomatoes.
Pâté au pomme.
Pâté
Au
au pomme.
Yeah, I love it. Have you ever tried it?
Not yet.
Ah, okay.
We'll see. Okay.
Bon appétit.
Smack,
man. Oh, it's
Smack Lake.
smack.
I'm not sure. Smack Lake.
Smack bell, maybe.
There. That is sea buckthorn. We are now in Ter Yde, and this place is known for its fishing, type of fishing, where they use horses and baskets like that. And this is listed under UNESCO World Heritage Site as well. We are now in Ter Yde.
Very quick merienda. If you are hungry, you just go to Ter Yde and pick some berries. No, sweet. Sweet.
Just not sweet. Suddenly it became cloudy and windy. They say that Ter Yde has different kinds of sand dunes. Like here, this is the mossy one. And let's say there are also grassy dunes. There should be some horses in here, but we don't see them. What is that? Someone lives there. There. The horse is hiding. Hey, I knew it. I knew you were here. In this area they have wild horses. Hey, show yourself. Ter Yde is a bit inland. Thank you for joining our adventure here in the sand dunes of Belgium. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know more about this place, post your questions in the comment section and I will get back to you guys. Thank you.